Good day, viewers. This is Vikomo Goat Farms. Our goats are feeding already. This is how their pen look like. Those holes there are for ventilation purpose, and their feet are always hung on the ropes like this. Let me take you to our separate grazing area. This is the grazing area. These plantains, the leaves are for them. Yes, we have quite a large area of grazing for them. This is the outside of the pen. It has been fenced around to make sure the goats are always within the compound. In case you want to contact us, you can reach us on 080-66-19-4562. See you on the next video. Thank you.